We're gonna show you exactly how easy it is to drill holes in the bottom of any ceramic, glass, or clay pot. All you need is a diamond drill bit. I know that sounds bling bling, it sounds expensive, but they're not. They're designed to drill through tile and they're really easy to use. Here's how to do it.
Keep in mind when using a diamond drill bit is that the surface needs to be wet. So we just used my son's little bucket to pour some water on the bottom of the pot. Then you go in at an angle and apply pressure to press the hole with your drill into the bottom of the planter. Since this was a larger planter, we did 2 holes, 1 on either side. Now watch when he does this. See, if you push too hard on the drill, the sort of body of the drill, the base below the drill bit, can bang on the bottom, and this can break the pot. So be careful not to push too hard once it's gone through the hole. That's my hot tip. I love that I was able to get containers for really cheap from the thrift store and turn them into really sharp looking plant potters for our patio. For more details on this project and links to the drill bit, click over to charlestoncrafted.com.